you would like to copy a transfer, select a transfer, click copy transfer, and a little copy transfer screen like this appears. Select the store you would like to send this transfer to, click OK, and notice the transfer has been created and is in packing status. If you would like to edit a transfer, click Edit. You can edit the reference. You can select on the search bar and scan in more items. Or you can select an item, press delete on your keyboard and remove an item from the transfer. If you would like to save this transfer and go back to it later on, click Save and notice the transfer is still in a packing status. If you would like to send the transfer, double click on the transfer, click Send. A message will appear, are you sure you want to send this transfer now? You will not be able to make any changes to it again. Yes, and click Send on the bottom again. Are you sure you want to send this transfer now? Note that you will not be able to edit the transfer and it will go straight to the store now. Yes. Notice the transfer status has changed from packing to waiting for delivery. If you would like to delete a transfer, you may delete a transfer that is in packing. Select a transfer, click Delete. A message will appear, are you sure you want to delete this transfer? Click Yes, and your transfer will be deleted. If you would like to print labels for a transfer, select a transfer and print labels here. If you would like to print the transfer, click Print Transfer and you'll be able to print the details of the transfer. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.